Hello there. Okay, so we're going to continue discussing bar graphs, but we need to talk about tally marks and what are tally marks and how do we count tally marks and how does it relate to certain bar graphs. So let's get started. So really tally marks are just lines, right? And generally it's pretty simple. If you have two lines like you have here, that means that there's two that means that there is 2 centimeters of snow because this worksheet is measuring snow in centimeters during different months. Okay, and what you have to do is, this is question number 1. You have to figure out which bar graph does this whole chart match up to. Okay, and your assignment in Teams is going to be look just like this. Obviously, it's different, but it's going to look just like this. But we do need to review tally marks and how we can match it up with the bar graph. So I can type here on the charts what the numbers are, what the tally marks add up to. You will not be able to do that. So you might want to, on a separate piece of paper, just write number 1 and then write, October, OCT equals 2. Count up November. So November has 3 tallies. You'll write NOV equals 3. And you'll do it for each month for number 1. And then what you do is you'll go down here and find which bar graph it matches up to, okay? So if I was writing this down on a piece of paper, I'm going to be counting. So December is 1, 2, 3, 4. So on my separate piece of paper, now I can't type. That's strange. Okay, well, anyway, so on my separate piece of paper, I would write 4, okay? Now, when you get to January, so this is the thing you have to be careful of now. When you do 5 lines, you don't get 5 tallies in a row. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a line across it, just like you have here. It's sort of like a bundle of 5. So if you know how to count by 5s, which most of you do know how to count by 5s, when you see this bundle, you know automatically it's 5, okay? So December we had 4. For January, I have 5 plus 3 more, so 5, 6, 7, 8. So January has 8, and then February is, there it is, just a bundle of 5, so it's 5. I don't even have to count the lines, because once I see that bundle, I know it equals 5, okay? Okay, I think I was able, sorry, just pause it for a second there. I was able to figure out, I can write in some of them now, so. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So December, we have 4. So on your sheet, you'll write December equals 4. January, we had 5, 6, 7, 8. I know we counted these, but I just wanted so you could see the numbers while you try to find the answer, okay? And then that's 5. So now what I need to do is I have to go down here to my choices. So we have A, B, C, D, E, and F. I need to find the bar graph that matches the totals, this tally chart, okay? So I need to find one that has, so I'm going to go one at a time. So I'm going to look for charts that have 2 centimeters for October, okay? And again, like yesterday, these bar graphs, they leave out numbers, they do every other number. So if you don't see a 3 or you don't see a 5, it's there. It's just you got to know where it falls. It falls between certain numbers, right? So October is 2. So look, this one has 2, this one's 2, this one's 2, this one's 2, this one is 6, this one's 4. So I know it cannot be E and F. So now I'm down to 4 choices, okay? Now I'm going to go to the next month, November, 3. Okay, so this November is 7, so it cannot be letter A. This November is 3, so maybe it could be B. This November is C, and that's, I'm sorry, this November is 5, that's letter C, so it cannot be that. And this November is 2, so it can't be that. So guess what, folks? Our answer is letter B. So what you'll do is you'll type in letter B on your, or whatever the answer is on the line here. Okay, there'll be a text box here. So for this case, I still want you to write what the numbers are, because in the other problems, it may not come, so you may not find the answer as quickly. You may have to go through each month until you find the chart that you think matches, okay? So let's do that. We're only going to do the first 3, okay? So the second one, October had, again, 2 centimeters. Here's my bundle, so that's automatically 5. Count up, 6, 7. So that's a total of 7 for November. December, another bundle of 5 plus 1 is 6. January had 1 centimeter, and February has a bundle of 5 plus 2 more, 6, 7. Okay, so now I'm going to go down. B's already been used, but let's check. So now I got to look again. October for 2 centimeters. I have A, can't be B because I already did that. C and D are all 2. Okay, November is 7. Well, okay, here's November 7. Okay, this November is not 7, so it can't be that. This November is not 7. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, look at that. I already found it. So November, so it's going to be letter A, because letter A has 2 centimeters, then 7 centimeters, and if I keep checking, December is 6, January is 1, and February is 7. Look at that, letter A. Okay, so you can always check the rest of the numbers too to make sure that you have the right chart, the right graph. Okay, number 3. October, I have a bundle of 5 plus 1 more is 6. Okay. November, a bundle of 5 plus 1 more is 6 again. Uh-oh, where'd my box go? Okay. December, I have a bundle of 5 plus 3 more, so 5 plus 3 is 8. January, I have 4. And February, I have 1. Okay, so let's take a look here. So I'm looking for October with 6. So right now, it looks like it's just this letter E. So let's check to see if the rest is correct. November is 6. That works. December is 8. Yup. January is 4. And February is 1. So your letter, the answer for that would be letter E. And that's it. So that's all you're going to have to do, okay? I'm not going to go any further. I think you guys can do this. You're going to get a sheet that looks just like this. So remember, I would, on a separate sheet of paper, write number 1 and then write out what the months are, okay? So October 2, November 3, or whatever it is that they're asking of you. I think the assignment's going to have you have as a day of the week. So if it's different days of the week, if it's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you're going to write each day and the number. So number 1, Monday, and however many it is. And then try to match them up with your chart after you get all the numbers down. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. I think you guys are going to get this with no issues, but just reach out, let us know, and we'll chat soon. Bye.